So this is chapter 4, section 9, parallel and perpendicular lines, lesson 9, video 1 of 4 videos, identifying parallel lines. So for the example, it says identify which lines are parallel. There's a couple different ways that you can do this. You can do this by graphing, or you can do this by simply verifying the slope. So the key to parallel lines is that they do have the same slope. Therefore, if your equation is written as y equals to mx plus b, as long as the m's are equal, by default they're going to be considered parallel. So if we were to label these, so we have A, B, C, and D. So A is y is equal to 4/3 x plus 3. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down so it's a little bit separated. B is y is equal to 2. C is y is equal to 4/3 x minus 5. And D is equal to y is equal to negative 3. Very, very quickly, you can notice that A and C have the same slope. This one has a slope of 4/3 as well as this one. So just by that alone, you can quickly determine that two parallel lines are A and C. Now, if you look at B and D, you have y is equal to 2 and y is equal to negative 3. You need to remember that both of these are actually horizontal lines. This one goes through 2, while the y equals to negative 3 goes through negative 3. Both of these have slopes that are 0, so for both of these, m is equal to 0. So therefore, again, their slopes are considered equal, and therefore B and D are also parallel. Please understand that if you have x is equal to a, its slope is undefined. And again, if you get y is equal to b, where a and b are obviously numbers, y equals to b has a slope of 0. So those are just two special cases that you have to remember, which are vertical and horizontal lines. Other than that, when you're looking at y equals to mx plus b, just check to see that the m's are the same. That could also work for y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Without even needing to distribute it, you just need to verify that the slopes still match, because the slope doesn't really change. And that's kind of the goal for parallel lines. Verify the slope. Is the slope the same? So for yours, you need to identify which lines are parallel, if any are. You have y is equal to 2x plus 2. 2x minus y is equal to negative 1. And then y is equal to negative 4 with x is equal to 1. Simply show the slopes of each and just find the ones that have matching slopes. That is the end of the first video.